Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto. In today's segment, we're breaking down one of the most critical components of your engine's fuel system, the fuel injector. Whether you're tuning, troubleshooting, or just curious, this is the info you need. A fuel injector is a precision valve that sprays fuel into the engine. It mixes that fuel with air to create a powerful, efficient explosion in the combustion chamber. The injector is controlled by the engine control unit, or ECU. It opens for just milliseconds to deliver the exact amount of fuel needed, based on throttle position, RPM, air intake, and engine load. This process repeats hundreds of times per minute, and every spray must be accurate. There are a few common types of fuel injectors. First, port fuel injection, which sprays fuel into the intake manifold just before the intake valve. Second, direct fuel injection, which sprays directly into the combustion chamber for more power and efficiency. And third, throttle body injection, an older design that uses a single injector in the throttle body. So what happens when injectors go bad? You might notice rough idling, misfires, poor fuel economy, or black smoke coming from the exhaust. Sometimes you'll smell raw fuel or see the check engine light pop up with codes like P0300 or P0302. Over time, injectors can clog with carbon deposits or get gummed up by poor quality fuel. Regular use of fuel system cleaners can help, but sometimes you'll need ultrasonic cleaning or a full replacement. The best way to avoid problems? Use quality fuel and follow your maintenance schedule. If you're upgrading your engine, say, adding a turbo or supercharger, you'll probably need bigger injectors to handle the extra fuel demand. But here's the catch. Larger injectors require ECU tuning. Without it, you risk running too rich or too lean, which can seriously damage your engine. So in short, fuel injectors may be small, but they play a massive role in your engine's performance, efficiency, and reliability. Got injector questions or want to see us demo a cleaning or replacement? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Auto tech breakdowns.